Hi, my name is Prithvi Trummo, and today I am here presenting my mini presentation on my capstone project. So, let's start with some business summary. The name of my company is Prithvi Energy Services, and we offer services in carbon credit, carbon offset, and sustainable energy. We are registered in Canada and we conduct our businesses from Canada. Our mission statement is helping people and businesses reach net zero carbon emission and solve their sustainability issues and promote eco-friendly practices. Now, our objective. The objective for our marketing department is dedicated to embodying and amplifying our mission of empowering sustainability through innovative carbon credit solutions. We focus on raising awareness about the importance and impact of carbon offsetting, educating our audiences on the role they can play in combating climate change. Our marketing strategy is built on transparency and trust, ensuring that stakeholders understand the tangible benefits of contribution to environmental projects. Now, here is a cost analysis. So, as we can see, the carbon market is growing rapidly with an annual CAGR of 14.8% from 2024 to 2032. This indicates a strong competitive environment and a significant opportunities for growth. The market has players like Carbon Trust, Climate Impact Partners, and South Pole being the major ones. Now, let's talk about some regulations. The regulators in of carbon markets in Canada is Environment and Climate Change Canada (ECCC). Let's talk about some economics. The carbon credit market is currently valued at 103.8 billion US dollars with expected value to go to 3.6 billions by 2032. So let's see some socio-cultural trends. These trends emphasize system sustainability and environmental consciousness, driving demand for carbon credit as a part of global climate change mitigation efforts. Public skepticism about use of carbon credits in decarbonization and importance of clear guidance on environmentally sound setting programs highlight the sociocultural nuances influencing market. Public awareness and support for sustainability and climate mitigation are crucial for the success of Canada's environmental policies and programs. And now let's talk about some technological advancements. So, the technological advancements in data analytics and blockchain are enhancing the transparency and visibility of carbon trading, with blockchain being used to create immutable records, reducing potential for fraud. These technological developments are crucial for the credibility and integrity of carbon credit, suggesting the growing importance of technology in this market. Here is a little SWOT analysis of our company. Our strength lies on deep understanding of regulatory framework and market mechanism and valuation of carbon credits, commitment to promoting sustainable practice and reducing carbon footprint, aligns with global trends towards environmental responsibility, collaboration with the government, NGOs, and other stakeholders in sustainability ecosystem to increase project impact and reach. Our weaknesses are carbon credit prices are too volatile and can be easily influenced through regulatory changes and market demand. Often need for the third party verification. And third is environmental factors like forest fires can easily destroy carbon offsets. Let's see the opportunities. Increasing awareness and actions on climate change are driving demand for corporations and individuals looking to offset the carbon emission. There are emerging markets currently going in new countries. And what are the threats? Changes in environmental policies and carbon pricing mechanism can significantly impact market dynamics and the value of carbon credit. Increasing number of players in carbon offset market can lead to competition for projects and clients, potentially driving down margins. So here are the things that we have already seen in Crest and SWOT, but in brief. So now let's talk about our target audience. So the energy sector, transportation, aviation, industrial, individual households, some corporate clients and government entities are our target audience. This was my presentation. Thank you.